welcome back to my channel. So today I got some tips ready. I did start one of them, which looks like this, and as you can see, it's going to be Louis Vuitton nails. I'm going to be using Mundo de Unas plates. So I got a couple of them here with I don't know, I don't really have nothing planned, so this is the ZZ Louis Vuitton, so that's like the one. Then we got our little ZZ Louis Vuitton 2. Then we got ZZ Louis Vuitton 3. And then these are MOD 352. So I might use one of these, I'm not sure, but I just took out some of the ones that have LV images on them. ZZ Louis Vuitton 4. It was so funny because I was like, I'm going to do some Louis Vuitton, and then I'll put maybe a Hello Kitty image over it. And then one of the plates had literally Hello Kitty on it, so. And then maybe if I do like one that just has like all Louis Vuitton design, maybe I'll put like one of these, say like one of these images underneath it in black. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but if I do, this is Uprettego JR274 from AliExpress, but all the rest of these are from MDU, Mundo de Unas. So I'm just going to get started on the nails, and then I'll be back at the end. So I'm just going to continue doing this one that I was doing right here. And yeah, I'll be back at the end. Oh, and then again, before I continue, just to let you know what I used on this nail. I use, let me see here, I use Duchess by Biutee on the red nail. I use Hard Candy, which is this one, which is Remix Red 909. Then on this one, I used the darker, is that the darker one? Yeah. I use this darker tannish color, kind of like the Louis Vuitton bags. So that's called Baby Porcelain by, again, Biutee. And then the two white nails, it's not a super white. It's called Coconut 621 by Sally Hansen, the Jelly Belly Insta Dry. So now let me get started, and I'll just continue. And then I'm just using a bunch of random polishes between Nicole Diary, ZJoy, and Born Pretty for like all the different colored stuff, and Colors Alike by Lancer and Wren. So yeah, I'll be back as soon as I'm done. Okay guys, I'm back, and yeah, everything, I felt like something was missing on this one, and I don't know, I don't think I recorded it, but this was what I chose. This right here, probably can't see it because of the black, but it just says Louis Vuitton in a like block with the letters cut out in it, like that right there. Let me see if it could focus in a little better. Come on. Okay, doesn't want to work for me right now. And hold on, you know what? Give me a moment. Okay, there we go. It's focused in. So I decided to go in with that because I just felt like it needed something. It didn't get quite all the letters perfectly, but you know what it says. I actually was going to do this with like all the letters in white, or like a cream white, and try to make it a little more like the purse. But I don't know. I just decided to go with that because I already had that one on there. And then here's another one of their prints. Then we got the red with the Supreme. And actually doing it all together wasn't working. So what I did is, where is the plate at? Here it is, the same one that the thing is on. What I did was, when I stamped it, the LV came out perfect, so I just put that up there. Then I did this one up here, this Supreme, and I actually scraped it sideways, because these ones with these blocks actually work better when you do it sideways. And then I just picked up this bottom image, and if that wasn't going to work, I was just going to use this because it's the same thing. But it all worked out. And then I actually did this one over because I had stamped this first, then I stamped that, and then I was like, you know what, there's other plate with the chains, the Chanel one, and I would have had to take off the two bottom ones. So what I did was I stamped the chains from the Chanel plate right here. Actually, I used my Gucci nails I had did. But then when I went in to go stamp, let me see where. Oh, okay, it was this plate too. I use this plate one a lot. The circle, the chains. Well, the chain, actually, where is it? Right here actually would not fit because these ones were in the way. So I actually just took a couple of these little charms and just connected it to that. Actually, I just took this one and that one. I took this from, like, I don't know, say one of these or something, or from another plate, just that little like cross one, and stuck it on there. And then that one was just right here. But I'm pretty happy how these came out. What do you guys think? Which one's your favorite? I think I like the Supreme one. The chains one's pretty cool. The fashion one I kind of like too, with the dress. But yeah. So if you like this, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. All of your comments and likes do not go unnoticed. I appreciate every one of you, and I thank all of you for watching. Have a beautiful, blessed, and safe day. Bye. And I might put this in the beginning, I don't know, but I did just make this separate little video because in my last video I did, it was fruit nails. I could not find that plastic plate because I have had it for quite some time, and I don't know if maybe they're just not selling no more, or I couldn't even find it in my orders like thing. So what I did was, I did find some plates that do almost have exactly, I did put them in the description box too, in the fruits description thing, I did put these links. So this is the Born Pretty one, Tropical Punch L004. It has like the same orange. It has the same like crown thing from the pineapple. It has the pineapple separate here. It has like the same pineapple, I mean not pineapple, watermelon. I mean, it's like the exact same, the watermelon, the orange. Let's see, it's got the strawberry. It's even got all the oranges together, like on the plastic plate I had. Excuse me. And the only thing that that one doesn't have is, oh, came right out. Okay. But, is the kiwi, the middle of the kiwi thing, which is probably so easy to draw. All you got to do is make like a sloppy circle with, paint your thing green, paint like a little messy oval like white circle, and then just put a bunch of black dots around it and spread them out. But if anything, this one does have a pineapple, has the big strawberry, has some bananas on it. It doesn't have the whole watermelon, but it does have the slices, and then the big one like this. So, and this is the What's Up, which one is this one? B008 Summer Seeds. So I put these two in the description box in the fruits one. I am so sorry. I thought I could find it, and it just was not anywhere to be found. So these two plates are pretty similar. So I just want you to know, because I always put the links after I do the video, and yeah, I just could not find it. So just want to let you know, I did put these in the description below in the fruits video. So yeah, there's links for those. So again, have a great day, stay safe, and yeah, bye. Thanks for watching.